FloorMats stylish and durable floor mats. Wax on, wax off detailing.
One thing I like about interiors is I like it to be stylish. Fabric mats, rubber mats are really, they're throwaway mats, or, you know, the kids spill stuff, whatever. I just don't like the look of them. I think they dress, you take these, especially this is a Mercedes, you take an interior that's just kind of stunning. It's not necessarily a luxury car maybe, but it's just a stunning looking car, and then you put rubber mats on. I think it just declasses it. It really dresses it down. F1 mats, which these are available, wax on, wax off detailing in Hanover, Pennsylvania. They are laser measured and then sewn, and they are custom fit. They cover about 98% of the floor, and I think they really dress up the interior. Most people buy a rubber mat because you spill stuff on them, mud, snow, those sorts of things. I've never actually seen mud in interior. If you do get a chunk of mud off your shoe, it usually grinds into very small particles and just goes into the fabric or even into the floor mat. So the downside of rubber mats is they turn brown over time. They last about 2 years with regular use, and even if they don't wear out from dirt, they start to dog ear, and since they're rubber, they dry rot and start to crack. Fabric mats, nobody buys them on purpose. Typically, I don't think most people would buy them on purpose. You're stuck with them. That's what you get from factories. Super cheap. A lot of times they even charge you for them. These mats, however, are custom. You would think, you know, you could throw the word luxury mats out there, but, you know, it's still a floor mat. You got to be careful how you use the word luxury. But I think this dresses up the interior. If you're worried about water, snow, dirt, whatever, these are actually more durable than rubber mats. They are vinyl. Vinyl is actually most of the, so like if you have leather seats, like I have a Mazda 2014 Mazda 6, everything you sit on and lean back on is leather, but everything on the side, like the bolsters, the side of the side panels of the leather, they're all vinyl, and it's because those parts take the most compression wear. So as you sit on the cushion, it compresses the side panels, which are vinyl, and the reason they make it vinyl is because it will endure that compression better than leather. Leather would start to split on the top, and it doesn't split open, but it just starts forming like a wrinkle and a crease, and then it gets wider and wider, and the leather actually, because you're bending it over and over, gets thinner. So leather or vinyl is designed to take friction, wear and tear, bending, compression. These mats are extremely durable. They can withstand any kind of liquid. It will not absorb, and there's actually an anti-absorbent material inside inside the leather itself, and it is designed for all weather conditions. So not only does it look good, it is durable and it wears very well. They're easy to clean. They're designed to go, once they go in, they stay in. They're not supposed to come out. So you clip them in with the guitar picks and they stay in, and they're designed to not be removed. Although you can, if you want to. You'll get a little bit of crumbs that gather around the edges. But really, these mats replace the flooring, become your new flooring. You got a heel plate on the driver's mat here. You also have a heel plate on the fabric mat as well to reduce that heel wear. Some people drive on their heel and actually will burn a hole through from all the friction and the use. So these double heel plates will prevent the heel from wearing through. Either the fabric one may need to replace eventually, but these mats are really designed to exist in the vehicle throughout the life of the vehicle. 10-15 years is the average lifespan of a vehicle in the US. But like I said, this one will have a fabric on top, so these mats, the vinyl part, will last even longer. And those fabric mats are actually pretty easy to clean because it is the carpet has a pile, so it's not a dense AstroTurf style. It actually has a pile similar to what you would find in your living room or house where you have carpet. Like I said, these mats are available, wax on, wax off detailing. You can't buy them on our website, but usually I like to discuss your needs if you want double layer, single, trunk mat, or any other add-ons, a couple different add-ons, and then we install them as well, even though they're pretty easy to install, but we like to install them because we like to clean your floor prior to the install of the mats. So if you have any questions, you can get on our website, www.autodetailing.com, 717-356-0480. You can go to our website, use the chat box, and contact us directly. I will look forward to talking to you about F1 mats. See you.